Hello guys, today we are going to start a ninth practical, that is operations on a dictionary. Okay, so we are going to perform different operations on dictionary. So I have already created a script for the dictionary. Okay, so here I just want to show what kind of operations I have performed on that. Uh, just wait a minute. Okay, so see here, uh, I am going to perform first. I am going to perform ascending and descending operation on dictionary. Okay, so here I have already import one module, that is operator module. Okay, so here I have specified one dictionary. Okay, this is a key value. This is a key and this is its value, that is for key number 1 the value is 2, for key number 3 the value is 4, for key number 4 the value is 3, for key number 2 the value is 1, and for key number 1 the value is 0. Okay, so if you want to perform sorting operation, okay, so we can sort function is a part of operator module. Okay, so that's why we have import operator module in this practical. Okay, so for sorting purpose I have already specify one variable over here, so it is going to be sort. Okay, so element. Okay, uh, so here we have specified the item, d dot items. Okay, and we are going to sort a list using what we can say, we are performing ascending operation on that particular dictionary. Okay, by using a key value. Okay, so that's why we have specified operator dot item getter, and we are specifying 1, so it is going to sort the particular list. Okay, so this is it is going to print the list in sorted order. The next, if you want to perform, or we can say, if you want to sort the list in descending order, so you have to just specify over the reverse over here, and we have to specify it true. So it is going to arrange the what we can say, elements in the dictionary in the reverse order, and it's going to be stored in a sorted D. So we are going to print that particular sorted order, or we can say elements in a descending order. So this is our first example. Okay, in second example we are going to concatenate the dictionary. Okay, so here we have specified 3 dictionary elements. In dictionary we have already seen that the dictionary elements are specified in curly braces, and we can separate key value pairs by using comma separated value. So 1 is a key, 10 is element, 2 is a key, 20 is a what we can say value. Element means a value. Okay, so in dictionary 2 there are also 2 elements. 3 is a key and 30 is a value, 4 is a key and 40 is a value. Like this, dictionary 3 also represented in dictionary 4. Okay, so we are going to what we can say, uh, what are the elements in a dictionary 1, 2 and 3. Okay, it is going to be iterate, and that elements are going to be updated in a dictionary 4. So all these elements are going to be concatenate in dictionary 4. So when we are going to print the dictionary 4, so it is going to show you all the elements in dictionary 4. Okay, so we'll see the output, so you'll get clear idea. Next, if you want to combine 2 dictionaries, okay, so you can combine by using concatenation operator, that is plus operator. So you can use a loop for that purpose. There are what we can say, 3 elements in dictionary 1, 3 elements in dictionary 2. We can iterate the list. Okay, or what we can iterate the loop. Okay, till the n number of elements are going to be complete. So we have specified here dictionary 2. If key in dictionary 1, okay, D1, okay, so what is going to be happen? So D2 key is equals to D2 key plus D1 key. Okay, so it's going to be what we can say, perform addition of the key values. Okay, and it is going to be apply on D2 keys, and it's going to be combine the dictionary, and if it's not equal to the key value, it's going to pass the control is going to pass to the else part, and it's going to pass the values. If after performing all the iteration, it is going to be show you the combined dictionary. Okay, when we are going to print the dictionary 2, it's going to show you the combined dictionary. You will see the result, so you will get an idea. Okay, in question number 4, we are going to print all the unique values of the dictionary. Okay, so here is the another dictionary, that is AL. Okay, so original list we are going to what we can say, print. Okay, after that for unique value we are specify here what we can say, set. Okay, so value for dictionary in L. Okay, for val in dictionary dot values. Okay, so we are going to check the unique values over here, and will perform the all operations. Okay, till the n number of elements in the list are going to be over. Okay, after that we are going to find out the unique values, and that unique values are going to be print after this loop iterations are going to be over. Okay, if you want to find the highest value in that particular dictionary, so you can what we can say, perform it. Okay, what we can say, we can import counter function. Okay, through which we can check whether which what we can say, collection is greater as compared to the other collection. Okay, so we'll check by using counter function. Okay, if the counter is high, okay, so it is going to be collected in high, and after that we are printing our first initial dictionary, then 3 highest values. Okay, and after that it's going to be show you the key and values in pair. Okay, so like this way it's going to show you the result. So we'll see what kind of result it's going to be displayed. So I'm just going to run this script. Okay, just wait a minute, guys. Okay, so now I'm just changing the path. Okay, CD. After that, sorry. Okay, after that Python, then fact 9.py. Okay, so these all are the operations. See here, from starting we have specified one dictionary. After that we have specified the elements, or we can say in a sorted order. So see this order. Okay, it is going to what we can say, arrange the particular elements using in ascending order. So see here, ascending order of that particular dictionary. This is the elements that are shown in a descending order. Okay, next it's going to be concatenate the n number of elements. So here we have seen that there are we have specified 3 dictionaries, and we are going to concatenate all of them into the dictionary 4. So all elements of dictionary 1, 2, 3 are concatenated in dictionary number 4. Okay. Next we are going to combine 2 dictionaries. Okay, so for that we have applying a loop, and after that we are concatenate using a plus operator, and both the all the elements of this particular what we can say dictionaries are going to be combined, and it's going to be displayed. So see this. Okay, so it is going to be add the elements. Okay, so all the results of this particular what we can say dictionaries are added. Okay, and next if we want to find the all unique values. Okay, so see here this example, there are n number of values are mentioned over here. Through the from this particular set we have find it the unique what we can say values from that particular set. Okay, so these are the unique values. Okay, next if you want to find the 3 highest values, so accordingly it is going to be present the all elements in the dictionary. Okay, so all elements in the dictionary are going to be printed. After that 3 highest values from what we can say from dictionary are going to be find it. Okay, so that elements are going to be printed over here. So this is the key value, and this is key, and this is its value. So f is having the what we can say highest value, that is 69, it's going to be printed. Then a is having value 67, it is going to be printed. Then d is having the highest value, that is 56, it's going to be printed. So like this way all the operations are going to be performed. Okay, so this is related with the dictionary. Okay, so see you guys, only that much operations are belongs to the